Welcome to Bobbi's Kitchen. Today we are going to make Dorito Casserole. It's a pretty simple recipe: hamburger, Doritos, onion, cheese, sour cream, salsa, and your choice of toppings, and some taco seasoning mix. So let's get started. Okay, the first thing we want to do is get our pan, and if you need to, if you're using like some extra lean ground beef or some turkey or ground pork or whatever, just put a little bit of olive oil in there. And we've got 1 pound of hamburger. And I always buy my hamburger in bulk and then break it down into these vacuum pouches into 1 pound packages. And if you take and seal it real flat like this, you can thaw that out in some lukewarm water in about 10 minutes. So we'll get to browning that, and then after we get this browned, then we'll go ahead and add our onions. Okay, we've got our hamburger browned, and I drained the grease off of this. So now I'm going to add my ½ cup of onions, and we will cook those until they're translucent. So I'll just stir this around, and as soon as these get a little softened and translucent, then we will be back. Okay, we got our onions cooked down some. So now I'm going to add my package of taco seasoning mix. And I'm also going to add the 1½ cups of salsa. Okay, I want to let this cook for about 5 minutes, and in the meantime I'm going to spray a 9x13 pan with some cooking spray. Okay, this has been cooking for about 5 minutes, so what I want to do now is turn off the heat and actually remove it from the heat, and then I will stir in the 1 cup of sour cream. That was a ½ cup measuring cup, in case you're wondering. Now you can make this casserole up to 6 hours ahead of time. Just cover it with foil and refrigerate it. You may have to adjust the cooking time and stuff if you start it out cold. And I will tell you what the actual cooking time and temperature is. Okay, so move this off to the side. And have our So I want to take my bag of Doritos, kind of crush them up, just don't smash them to absolute bits. And the total for this is 4 cups for the whole recipe. So I'm just basically taking a guess. It's probably going to take pretty much the whole bag. Okay, now I got that in there. I want to add about half our meat mixture to this. 2 cups of cheese, and I have didn't have quite enough of the cheddar, so I'm going to put some mozzarella in with it. You can use pepper jack, you can use Colby jack, you can use Colby, you can use whatever you want. So I'm going to use about a third of this. Chips. It's almost like a Mexican lasagna. And now we'll put the rest of our meat. Some more cheese. And finally, the last of the chips. And I was right, this did take the entire bag. And that is a 9 3/4 ounce bag. And then we will finish it up with the rest of the cheese. What I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and cover this with aluminum foil and put this in the refrigerator, probably be in there a couple, 3 hours, and then you will cook it at, I believe it's 350, let's see. Cook it at 375 degrees for 30 minutes if you put it in now. If you put it in the refrigerator, I would say you probably want to give it an extra 15 minutes or so on your cooking time. So I'm just going to go ahead and cover this up and put it in the refrigerator, and then whenever it's time to bake this, we will be back. Okay, and I've got our casserole here. The oven is at 325, so I'm going to go ahead and pop this in here now. So I'll check this in about a half an hour and see if the middle of that is hot, and if not, then I'll leave it in there for a little bit longer. Okay, here's a picture of the casserole, and I'll show you what it looks like all dressed up.